I don't know what's going on. We're not doing this manually. Kayla's just pretending to. Okay. Obviously needles don't pop balloons. Think your dad's coming to see if he died. We got this.
No, we don't. It's not working, Kaylee. Not working.
Can I try robbing it?
I don't care. There's probably shit all in there. Shit.
Like,
The needle's like,
needle.
it can't be like in the styrofoam.
Man, shut up. I think we're gonna have to make a whole new fucking thing.
Should we just do this tomorrow?
Let's do Wednesday.
Alright, stop trying to pop it.
Fuck you, Corey.